peaches, what's up? So today I am doing something I am overly excited about. I wanted to try to incorporate white eyeliner, and for some reason in my head I was thinking like shockingly blue eyeshadow, white eyeliner, perfect mix. So I'm gonna try to create something fun today. If you hear a little noise in the background, that's my darling little German Shepherd puppy girl chewing on her antler. So what I'm going to do is prep my face, fill in my eyebrows, and then I'll get you guys zoomed in for the eye look just like I did in the other makeup tutorial that I filmed. And I don't know which of those is going to be up first, but I am gonna do a brow tutorial because you guys said you were interested in seeing one. It is on the books, don't you worry. But for today, we're just gonna focus on that little eye look. If you don't mind, just gonna do a little prep on my face. I'll be right back. Okay, looking crazy as normal. I'm just talking to my camera, Bubba. Suki really needs an out, but she's fighting it, huh? Yeah. So I have everything primed and ready to go, although I'm like not sure how I'm gonna do a deep, dark, like in-your-face blue eyeshadow, but then leave this part white for my eyeliner. So I think what I'm gonna try to do is take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and just kind of, I don't know. I'm thinking if I can like put a little bit of this white so that I can go back over it with my eyeliner later, that would be helpful. But I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm already really unsure about this. Yep, we're gonna toss this look and try again. Okay, let's start over. Hi there. So I'm just gonna do this tutorial really quick. I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna start with actually a brown color. I just jacked my eyes up trying to take that color pop off. As a forewarning, it does not come off easily. I'm not sure what you're supposed to take that off with, but not makeup remover. Really in my head, I knew I should have started at my crease with brown to like make a nice transition shade, but for some reason I got down here and just saw the blue and got excited and went on. I don't even think I said this, but I'm using the Morphe 35OM right now for this brown. And I'm just mixing a lot of the brown shades. I'm not using one specific one. Now I have to talk about the blue that I'm going to use. I might top it with the ColourPop one, but I always forget ColourPop eyeshadows for me. I just have not learned how to use them correctly because they're really intimidating and obviously like kind of permanent once you get them on your eye, and I need something that's a little bit more forgiving. So I think I'm gonna use the Morphe 35S. There's a couple little blues down here that look good. I'm gonna start with a little bit of a lighter blue. It's only like 4 o'clock right now. Yeah, it's 2 minutes till 4 and it's gonna start raining. It already looks like it's like, I don't know, time to go to sleep. It's so dark outside and that's gonna make me really sleepy for a lot of editing that I have to do today. If you guys have reached the point in the day where like you don't get another cup of coffee, what do you do to kind of keep your energy up? I actually like green tea a lot and it does a really good job of waking me up. I already had 2 cups of coffee today though, so I probably don't need tons more caffeine, but let me know what you do to kind of give yourself a little kick. Okay, I like that so far. Sorry, my face itches. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a darker blue. I'm really afraid that the white eyeliner that like this whole look was supposed to be about is not going to go over this blue very well, but we'll find out. So I've kind of realized about tutorials like this, I don't really like to talk in these videos because I'm not teaching you guys anything in my opinion. I'm just like trying to, I don't know, figure out if I can wear blue eyeshadow, you know? So I need to figure out a different thing or like way to film these so I can do like a Q&A or something while I'm doing these. I don't know, I'm not sure. Whoops, I'm literally just rubbing that. It's already on my fingers, so that was dumb. So now I'm actually thinking I'm gonna take a darker brown, kind of where that dark blue meets the transition shade that I did. Okay, I think that's looking pretty good. I forgot to tell you guys before I started this that I want you to help me come up with a term that's not tutorial. I know that I did say I'm not teaching you guys anything, and that's like my whole point, is a tutorial is like showing you how to accomplish or do something, I think. And so these are just kind of like, they're not really get ready with me because I'm not going anywhere, but if you guys can help me think of a term for these, please tell me. I'm gonna start with the white eyeliner because black can just cover it right up if I don't like it right. This is the NYX, I think, or no, it's LA Girl Line Art Matte Eyeliner. Here we go. But how are you supposed to use this and it not just turn the color of the eyeshadow that you're putting it on? Yeah, impossible. It's all the way blue now, so we won't do that. I really like the white though. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the jumbo pencil from NYX and try to do white because I really would like to do that. Maybe I just make this look kind of faded and like that's my eyeliner. I think I should have just left it alone. Gotta make it match now though. Do you guys think that looks awful? It's definitely not what I had envisioned, that's for sure. Okay, it's looking crazy. Real crazy. I'm gonna try to do some mascara and my face makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so I feel like this kind of looks crazy, but I think I should have done false lashes with this, but here we are. So for my face, I did all my foundation and everything, and actually I'm not gonna use any blush. I'm just gonna use the Hoola Benefit bronzer and then some highlight. I don't know why, but in my head, blush, there's like not a good one that's gonna look good with blue eyeshadow. And I already did my nose contour too, I didn't say that, but I did do that. For highlight, I'm gonna use the Blacklight BH Cosmetics palette. I use this one for my other tutorial as well. And they have a color in here called Queen. It's K-W-E-E-N, and it's so cute, such a pretty blue. So I'm gonna use that. Okay, so for lips, I have absolutely no idea, so let me just take a little dive into my lip drawer and see what I have that might work with this. I'm gonna just go ahead and go all out. I have this Lorac color and I love it, and I wanna do a look that's just dedicated to purple, but this is Free Spirit, and it is gorgeous, and I'm gonna use it today. I'm gonna line my lips with the Milani lip liner in All Natural. This is like my favorite. I've used it for years and years and years. Okay, here we go. Okay, so that's gonna complete this look. Let me know what you guys think. It did not turn out at all how I was envisioning it, but I kind of don't hate it. I think it's, even though it has like a bright blue white eyeliner and purple lip, it kind of is still wearable. So you'll have to let me know what you think in the comments below. If there was something that I used that you guys have questions about, comment down below. I'm going to try to remember to put everything that I used in the down bar though, so hopefully all your questions will already be answered there. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so before you leave today so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Help me come up with a name that's not a tutorial. What are these videos? Just sit down, trying out makeup. I'm failing. I don't know what to call them, but they're definitely not tutorials. They're just fun videos to do with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.